Matter.
Hello and welcome to Dad's Matter, Understanding Dads, supporting fathers across Norfolk and beyond. Today's episode is all about sleep. We all do it. All animals do it. The birds and the bees do it. Let's do it. Let's fall asleep. Sleep is essential, as during sleep our body produces the growth hormone we need to grow, develop and repair. Children who don't get enough sleep can experience growth and developmental delays. It's essential for brain development as well. During sleep, our brain processes the things we've learned during the day, a bit like rebooting your computer. It helps a child file the information and access it later. That's why babies sleep so much. The whole time their eyes are open, they're getting new information. And that can take a long time to process. A lack of sleep can lead to difficulty concentrating and make it difficult to learn. It can cause behavioural difficulties as well. Children who don't get enough sleep will be more irritable and have mood swings. And we know what that looks like. So a child's lack of sleep can increase the irritability in the dad too. So a good night's sleep is really important for a happy family life. Sleep is important for maintaining good health as well. When we get enough sleep, our immune system gets stronger and we're less likely to get ill. On the other hand, a lack of sleep can increase the risk of obesity, diabetes and other chronic health problems, because a lack of sleep upsets your hormone balance, which makes you feel hungry, and your metabolic rate slows down, meaning you don't process your food properly, making you get large. Plus, being overweight can make it difficult to sleep, so it's really, really, really important to get a good night's sleep. So, how do we get the children to get enough sleep? Well, it's all about routine, and you need to start that young, as bad routines are difficult to break. Dads can help their children get a good night's sleep by getting them into a regular sleep routine, creating a comfortable sleeping environment.
Mr. Flopsy says it's bedtime.
With no distractions, limiting exposure to electronic devices, and ensuring that their children are getting enough physical activity during the day, so take them for a walk. But the best, and I mean the best thing you can do to help your child get some good sleep is to read them a bedtime story. When we read to our children, we increase theirs and our own levels of oxytocin. If they go to sleep happy, this bit of dadding can help your children develop healthy habits, which will support their development and well-being throughout their lives, which creates a bond and makes them feel loved and safe. You might have to read Mr. Gumpy's Goat 30 times, but it's worth it. Master Gumpy's goat was a rare old thing. Instead of bleating, his goat could sing. It sang in the field where the cows grazed, and when Mr. Gumpy heard him, he was amazed. The hills are alive, the cows grazing.
I'm amazed!
And they'll be better behaved. So what's not to like?
Yay!
Can, wake up!
Thanks for listening.